Isang nakikita ko dito is that when business owners invest in their people, these people also invest in the companies that they work for.
Kung nagkaroon ng work from home before, we have work from hotel.
How did you come up with that?
Well, before I go into that,
Kakasama natin ngayon si Ms. Sue Geminiano, Marketing Head ng Hotel Sogo. She's been at the helm of their campaigns, expansion, CSR efforts, and digital innovations for over a decade. Has your profession been able to help you in your industry right now or in your company?
well, yes, actually, ever since I started working, the tender loving care, as we call it, as a nurse, is very helpful to us. Not only in our job, but in our daily living. Kasi natural yung care.
Can you talk more about that? Because it seems very interesting to me.
Very dynamic ang ating generation ngayon. Masyado na siyang technical and tsaka masyado na ring tamad siguro. Rather lie down or sabihin na natin, kaya may F&B. Ngayon, our new
Service,
rooms, yes, full room service na talagang pahinga. Ito na si Hotel Sogo ang talagang pahinga mo.
Yan. Magandang usapan niya pagkain. Ano ang inyong specialty?
Iba siya. Pag tinikman mo, iba pa rin yung lasa niya.
Okay.
Pang sogong lasa.
Okay,
Bakit ka natatawa?
Hindi ko kasi alam. Hello and welcome to PGMN. This is Luis Sangalang. In one of our earlier episodes, napag-usapan natin kung paano naging multi-billion industry ang mga motel sa Pilipinas. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa short time or sa Valentine's na hype. Seryoso itong negosyo. In fact, ayon sa Philippine Statistics Authority, short-term accommodations generated over 110 billion in revenue noong 2022. Around 70% ng bookings ay ilang oras lang tumatagal. Mataas ang turnover, kaya mataas din ang kita. Pero beyond the numbers, the short-term accommodations industry continues to evolve. With shifting customer expectations, technological change, and rising demand for privacy and convenience, kailangan mag-level up din ang mga hotels. Ngayon, especially with the younger generation, they're very much into technology. They're very much into AI. I saw some of your presentations. You talk about the digitalization of your business.
Yes.
Especially moving towards, I think, digital transformation. Can you talk more about that? Because it seems very interesting to me, and I know to a lot of our viewers, especially those who are tech-enabled, no? Yung mga nag-aaral ng AI, data science. Paano nyo po ina-apply itong technology, itong innovations na to in Hotel Sogo?
Well, before I go into that, papatunayan ko lang na ang Hotel Sogo is always the first in innovation. Why? Hotel Sogo was the first one who offered free Wi-Fi.
Talaga?
Yes. Yung mga free Wi-Fi establishments.
Dapat pala mag-Hotel Sogo ko para may free wifi. So,
Malakas
pwede
ang
mo-
Wi-Fi dito.
So in fact, now you're making me think, Ma'am Sue, that I can go to Hotel Sogo kung wala akong wifi sa bahay, gusto ko mag-aral, gusto ko
Yes,
magtrabaho,
you can stay
I can
there.
stay.
Kung nagkaroon ng work from home before, we have work from hotel.
Galing,
During
galing.
lockdown, ang daming mga na-stranded sa trabaho. Nasa mga BPOs, mga contact centers.
Yes.
And I'm one of the people who talk to them na kesa sa umuwi sila, doon na lang sila sa Sogo. Tapos doon na sila mag-work.
Paano nyo po naisip na mag-offer ng free wifi? Kasi, you know, wifi, especially in the Philippines, and I know I'm gonna get into trouble because of this, yung wifi natin dito, if you compare it to other countries, sobrang bagal at sobrang mahal, no? So, I think yung point of deciding na, sige, magpa-free wifi tayo. How did you come up with that? That's a very interesting
If I remember
decision.
it right, the year that this free Wi-Fi started is in 2013. Ganon. 2009, may ibang branches na. Tapos 2013, yun na yung lahat kasi we are offering free call international.
So, in fact, you were ahead even before the lockdown, the
Yes,
pandemic.
oo.
Oh.
As in, matagal na kasi 1993 kami nag-start. We are actually promoting at the time yung connection to the family in other countries.
Overseas, yes.
Ngayon, ang nangyayari, yung buong pamilya, gusto nilang kumausap, mag-check-in sila.
So, is
Para
that,
may free international call sila.
did that lead to also the creation of family rooms?
Yes.
So, ang galing
Ganon.
na
Yun yung
journey.
innovation niya.
Oo.
Yung Segway, yung one wheel na magde-deliver kasi meron tayong drive-in rooms. And during pandemic, we were also the only company, I believe, who had this anti-COVID innovations. From the ionizing the overtop counters,
Yes.
yung mga free handheld showers, yung mga
Okay.
ganon. So, we also have our COVID sniffing dog para sa mga
What is a
employees.
COVID sniffing dog? Sorry.
Para hindi everyday magte-test yung mga kung infected ng COVID yung employees.
So, there are dogs to
Yes. to
identify
sniff,
COVID?
yung sputum nung mga or even kahit naiikot lang siya.
Hindi, nagugulat lang ako kasi hindi ko pa dumaan na yung COVID. and
Yeah, we
lockdown,
had that.
tapos,
Kasi it's very expensive and very costly kung lahat ng empleyado. Kasi hindi naman lahat nag-lockdown talaga. Meron
Correct.
pa rin kaming ongoing at that time yung mga overseas worker, mga frontliners.
Yes,
Doon
yes.
nagstay. Kasi di ba hindi talaga makapass the board. Nung time na yon, kailangan namin to protect yung aming mga staff para protected din yung mga guests namin.
Correct.
So, done off checking the test kit for COVID, yung meron kaming COVID
additional.
sniffing dogs.
Okay. You know what I'm taking away dito sa discussion natin na to, Ms. Sue, is that number one, I think what made you create all of these innovations is actually listening to your customer.
Yes,
That's the first
that's
thing.
the key.
Kanina binanggit na po natin yon, and I think for any business owner out there or someone who's in business, importante that we listen to our customers because we identify some gaps that we're able to address.
Yes.
Diba? That's the first thing that I was able to take away from what you said. The second item na take away ko from our conversation now is that you guys seem to take care of your employees a lot.
Yes.
Diba? So, mataas yung, how do you call it?
Malasakit.
Malasakit. That's the word I was looking for. Kasi,
Because that is our core values.
there you go. So, malasakit, by the way, they say malasakit does not have an exact translation in the English language. I'd like to believe that. No, that was actually the word I was looking for. And dahil sa malasakit nyo sa employees ninyo, what I'm getting at is that a lot of the people that you work with are staying in Hotel Sogo. For example, you're already a...
Well, on a personal
proof of
note,
that, diba?
this is the longest period that I'm into a company. And at that time, I believe I made an article in Inquirer PDI. And I wrote there, I finally found the company I'll be marrying with. It is because of that malasakit. This is the first time that I've seen, sorry sa mga previous bosses ko, na
I'm sure they've already,
kasi dun ko nakita kung how they take care of the people, and they are really the people, the tycoons who have really a big heart. Nung sabi ko na to, okay ako dito, sabi ko nun. So far ngayon, nandito pa rin ako.
Yeah.
Oo.
Alam nakakatuwa yan, ma'am, kasi when companies invest, when business owners invest in their people, and they help them grow, like I said, no, parang, I'm sure that your bosses, previous bosses have already seen you grow, and you've helped them grow as well. Because if you grow, then they grow, then the company grows, diba? But I guess yung isang nakikita ko dito is that when business owners invest in their people, these people also invest in the companies that they work for.
Yeah, they put their heart on their work. And sabi natin, di ba? For you to have a good business, you have to eat, sleep, and wake up with your brand or with your product. Syempre, minamahal nila. And I swear, these people are actually saying, sige, dito ako. Not only Hotel Sogo, but the whole company.
Yes.
Going back about innovation, I haven't mentioned yet the IoT, how we blended with this tech-savvy thing.
Yes. Sorry,
because of
na-carry over
AI.
ako dun sa sa magandang
COVID
usapan natin. Yes. So,
yeah,
COVID
yung sa
dogs, yeah.
yung AI natin, and very dynamic ang ating generation ngayon. Masyado na siyang technical and all. Tsaka masyado na ring tamad siguro with rather lie down or sabihin na natin, kaya may F&B.
Yes.
So, Hotel Sogo, pag check-in
tama,
mo.
tama,
Ngayon, our
room
new
service.
rooms, yes, full room service na talagang pahinga. Ito na si Hotel Sogo ang talagang pahinga mo. Now, we have developed this different kind of room, and we call it Sogo AI Tech Concept Room. So, it's an artificial intelligence concept
Okay.
Bakit siya naging ganun? From checking in, it is a self-check-in kiosk. We have that. And we have our virtual assistant, si Sogo Aiko.
Ang pangalan niya po?
Aiko.
Like
Sogo
the
Aiko.
artista, si Aiko.
Parang ganun, pero capital AI kasi artificial intelligence
Galing.
ko.
That's very smart.
Kung sino si guest,
Very witty. Okay.
yeah, kung sino si guest, virtual assistant niya yon. Hi, Sogo Aiko. I am your personal virtual assistant, sasabihin ni Aiko. So, pagpasok niya, sasabihin niya, computer, I'm here.
Okay.
Magbubukas ng ilaw, yung TV.
So, voice command. May
Voice command
okay.
yung room. Tapos, pagpasok mo, gusto mo ng romantic sound on. Computer, romantic sound on.
Okay.
Tapos, sabi mo, computer, yung ambience mo, gusto mo din romantic. Yung galaxy lights.
Alam mo, dapat next shoot natin, we will
Doon
visit
tayo.
Hotel Sogo and, experience Aiko. No?
Yes.
Dapat ganun ang gawin natin.
Oo. Tapos, yung ayaw mo ng curtains, so curtain open, curtain close. Kung
pwede.
ano gusto mong palabas sa Netflix,
dami,
sabihin mo.
okay.
It's voice controlled mga
All
yung room.
rooms are like that?
No.
Or very selected?
Selected lang. Kasi in selected branches lang din. Kasi this is like a showroom.
Yes. I'm sure the investment is quite
Yes,
large.
but
for
hindi nag-change yung price ng rate ng rooms, hindi nagbago.
wow.
Nonetheless, we are developing further. So, 'di ba nasabi ko we are hearing out suggestions and
Yes,
comments by our
yes.
guests. So, if there would be a claim na dito naman sa branch na to, maglagay kayo dito. That's the only time we will do expansion.
Okay.
Of course,
Okay.
it's not easy and it's not cheap doing
That's
that.
correct. Oo.
And we don't want to bring that burden into the pockets of our guests.
Tama.
Ay, oo. So, ito,
Pass on.
gusto
Pass on.
namin ninyong ma-experience yung ganitong klaseng technology, pero para hindi naman kayo mabigitan sa bulsa.
Okay.
So, we have our no towel dryer,
No
automated.
towel dryer,
Yeah, automatic body dryer.
Okay.
Doon, yung
Buong katawan.
Oo, buong
Diba
katawan.
usually sa mga CR, kamay lang?
yun
Hair?
buong katawan, pati buhok.
Ang galing.
Oo.
Ang galing.
So, kahit ako mismo, nung dinedevelop yan, excited
Oo.
Kasi di namin alam yung experience pa at that time, but
Yes.
we have the idea.
Nakakatuwa
So,
siguro na dinidevelop mo yung product o yung service tapos na-experience mo yung innovation na yun.
Oo, nakakatuwa siya. Tapos soon, baka meron pang bagong development. Kasi dinagdag namin sa development dahil nga nakikita natin yung needs ng mga guests natin. Bukod sa
Right.
innovation ng technology, mahilig din kumain
Okay.
kahit hindi mag-check-in. So,
Okay.
we were able to develop restaurants in Hotel
Yan.
Sogo.
Magandang usapan yung pagkain. Kasi kanina, no, nung nire-review ko yung materials ninyo, actually medyo nagutom ako. Kasi I do intermittent fasting every now and then. So kanina, nung tinitingnan ko yung mga pictures, yung mga materials, sabi ko, ang sarap ng pagkain. And nabanggit nga po sa akin that Sogo is now focusing on food and beverage. So can you tell me more about this product that you're developing, the Sogo Food? Or is this
Hindi
brand?
naman nag-focus. We just want it to be available to people who wouldn't check in.
Okay, so how
Kasi
do you do that?
generally, it's already open
Oo.
Meron talaga kaming 24/7 food and beverage service. So may menu doon sa loob ng kwarto,
Okay.
doon kakain. Now, we have a restaurant sa lobby. So
Okay.
kung gusto mong kumain lang, since open naman kami 24/7, marami namang restaurants closed na at night.
Tama.
Pwede kang kumain doon. Mag-order ka na lang ng food sa
Alam niyo,
restaurant.
saktong-sakto to, ma'am. Kasi ako ay, sometimes, my wife and I have craving in the middle of the night. Tapos wala nang bukas.
Diba?
In fact, there is a very close branch of Sogo near us. I won't reveal where I live, of course. But it's walking distance from our place. So, kung pupunta kami doon, we can always say na we're here to eat.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Oo. So, alam, yung mga madalas magsogo, meron na kayong
Alam na this.
valid reason kung bakit kayo punta ng Sogo para kumain.
Oo.
Okay.
Yun, so, that is where Sogo Food Restaurant was given birth. Kumbaga.
Okay.
Ito nga kung isipin mo, hindi na pinag-isipan. Di ba? Sogo Food Restaurant. Di ba? Sino ba na, yung iba, may pangalan pang cafe or whatsoever.
Correct.
Ito, Sogo Food, because literally, we are giving or we are serving the food inside the hotel.
Correct.
We are just serving it outside the room. Kumbaga
Okay.
sa lobby.
That being said, kasi kami, we have a Sogo branch near us, right? Kung gusto namin, for any of the viewers, gusto nila mag-order ng Sogo food from Sogo Food Restaurant, How do they do that? Are you in any of the delivery
Wala
apps?
pa eh.
Or...
We are still working on it.
Okay.
For the delivery, for yung mga food panda, ganyan, Grab. We are working on it pa lang, hindi pa.
Wala po kayong independent na delivery also. They have to go in inside.
Yes.
That's okay. At least you can get to visit
Hotel
the
Sogo.
Hotel Sogo, right? Ito siguro, malamang tatanong to ng mga viewers natin. Ano ang inyong specialty sa Sogo Food Restaurant?
Half fried chicken ang tawag nila.
Half fried chicken.
Pero pag bumili ka ng dalawa, whole fried chicken na yun.
Okay.
Ganun pa rin yung lasa niya.
Okay.
Hindi, kasi may special ano siya na
Half fried chicken.
yung pag sinabi kasi half fried chicken nakalagay doon, iba siya eh. Chicken siya, pero pag tinikman mo, iba pa rin yung lasa niya.
Okay.
Pang sogong lasa.
Okay,
Bakit ka natatawa?
Hindi ko kasi alam. I've in all full transparency, guys, I've never been into Sogo.
Tsaka yung
it's about
pancit
time I should.
canton.
Tsaka
Oo.
pancit canton.
Hindi,
Okay.
totoo yung pancit canton. Masarap talaga. Ang daming, if you would see, these advertisements or these vlogs, lagi, chicken or check-in.
Kaya pala.
Diba? Hindi yun
Yung mga
ba
tao
yan?
dito, medyo kinikilig.
Hindi.
Hello mga kapinat! Para sa lahat ng mga PGMN viewers, may special promo ang Hotel Sogo para sa inyo. Text Hotel Sogo space PGMN to 225-657-646 to get 33% off on room rates from Monday to Friday in any hotel branch. This promo is valid until November 30th, 2025. Perfect ito for solo staycations, quick stops, or kung gusto mo lang magpahinga with privacy and peace of mind.